Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stay consistent on YouTube using an AI system without burning out. So join me today as I teach you the simple strategy and the simple method. All right, let's get to this work. All right, guys. So for today's lesson, we're going to work on how to not burn out on YouTube, which every creator goes through. And you'll realize along this journey of YouTube creation, it's not the ideas, it's not publishing and editing, it's the consistency of publishing and editing for your videos, especially when you're starting off new and you're not seeing the traction, you're not seeing the views. You lose motivation very quickly and you feel like all your work is in vain. Well, this video is going to show you how to stay consistent without burning out. All right, so let's get into this. Let's dive into this work. All right, so I went ahead and took the time to create the prompt for us. So that way we don't have to save time and we can get right into this work. All right, so let's populate the prompt. All right, so you know our foundation, you know our formula, you know our system. Main idea, hook, instruction, body, 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 conclusion. So for today, we have act as a YouTube growth strategist. Help me build a system. Help me build a simple and sustainable YouTube posting system so I can stay consistent without burning out. My channel niche is nursing, and I want you to create me a realistic weekly posting schedule, 10 video ideas I can create quickly, a simple workflow for planning, recording, and publishing videos. And I also need tips to stay consistent long term without burning out. Keep everything simple and beginner friendly. All right, let's see what the AI produces for us. And this is going to help us, guys. And along this journey, I'm going to give you some tips and strategies to help you stay consistent that I use myself, and a little tactic to keep you going. So let's first see what the AI has produced for us, and we will go from there. So here's a simple, sustainable YouTube system for a nursing channel. So here, number one, realistic weekly posting schedule. The biggest mistake new creators make is posting too much and quitting. Start with something sustainable. I love this, guys. For example, you'll see when you're first starting off in this YouTube journey, you want something that's, or you try to maintain posting every day or every 7 days, every 5 days. No, guys, keep it simple. Yes, the more you post your content, the faster you can get discovered, but there's a draw back to that. When you do that, you're risking burning yourself out because you may not get the views you're looking for right away. So you're going to burn yourself out. So the best technique is to do something that's sustainable. Instead of maybe 3 videos, you can maybe do only 1 a week or 2 a week. But guess what? That's okay, guys. As long as you're producing content consistently, the YouTube algorithm will eventually reward you. It won't happen overnight. It won't happen overnight. I'm going to say it again. It won't happen overnight, but if you stay consistent with it, it will come to pass. It will happen, and your channel will start to get discovered. So don't overwhelm yourself in the beginning. I've done that in past YouTube channels when I first started off, and it is overwhelming. You cannot maintain that consistency trying to post every single day. It's not going to happen. You have a life. Things going to happen. You're not going to get the views. You're going to quit. So your goal really is to not quit. So you want to make everything as simple and flowing as possible. And this is what the AI system is going to show you. So let's look. So here, recommended schedule. Monday, a short. Wednesday, another short, 30, 60 seconds long. Saturday, a long video format. Here, it gives you a breakdown. 2 shorts per week for growth and discovery. Then you want 1 long video per week for authority and watch time. That's 3 pieces of content per week, which is doable. Here it says, if you get busy, never skip the long video. The shorts are optional. Like I said, as long as you get that 1 video a week, guys, that's the key. That's the nugget. And if you stay consistent with that, it gets easier. Then you start escalating and increasing it to, say, 2 videos a week. until you get that momentum in that routine. And when you start seeing the followers and the subscribers and the views go up, then you can start batching out and have people edit your videos, and that alleviates you to focus on other things. Here breaks down 10 quick nursing video ideas. Here we have beginner nursing content, such as 3 mistakes new nurses make, how I survived my first year as a nurse, helpful nursing tips, things patients do that drive nurses crazy. I'm sure there's a lot out there that all my nurses can back me up on. How nurses avoid burnout. Different pieces of content that is giving you to stay consistent. Number 3, simple video workflow. Repeat every week. Step 1, plan for 15 minutes. Write down long video topics, short and 2 short ideas, which your AI can do for you. Step 2, record 1 to 2 hours. You want to batch, guys. This is the key. You want to batch your content like I do. I do 10, 20 videos in a day. So that way I can give myself a week or two, or whatever happens. If something comes up, I have content in a hole that is already scheduled and it's already going to release on its due time without me having to like, oh man, I'm behind on schedule of creating content. I don't have to worry about that. So it's already batch, and that way it alleviates the stress of you trying to come up with content ideas, where if you miss a week or two, you're okay. So always batch your content, never do last minute, because if you do it last minute, guess what? The burnout will happen, the laziness will creep up. So always batch your content. And step number 3, keep editing very simple in the beginning, guys. You want to make sure you're able to get in and get out. You're ready to publish, edit a few little bit of things here and there, tinker a little bit of things, but you don't want to spend hours editing because it's going to drain you. Because the next video you create, you're going to be thinking like, oh, here's another hour. So keep it simple, keep it editing. Guess what? It's about right now, it's about getting your content out there. And when you grow, then you can dedicate more time into the editing. But right now, it's just getting material out into the YouTube space, the YouTube algorithm, so it knows your content and it knows who to share your content to. But if you're not producing content and not publishing, YouTube is not going to get your content to the right audience. Make sense, guys? Okay. Step 4, schedule. Have a set schedule. Here it says Monday shorts, Wednesday shorts, Saturday long video format. You have it scheduled. So maybe your schedule is Tuesdays and Thursdays. Maybe your schedule is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Maybe your schedule, if you're posting 1 a week, Sundays. And you can do your strategy and what works best for you and what time works best for your niche, your category, and for your audience. And you can go that method. Number 4, long-term consistency tips. Stop trying to be perfect. Like I said earlier, guys, you just want to get your content out there. It's not going to be perfect when you first start. You're going to make mistakes. You're going to grow. You're going to learn. The more videos you get out there, the better you become. You see your mistakes, you grow. So you want to hit that 100 video mark. When you start getting to the 25 and the 50, the 75 and the 100, you start seeing yourself grow. You start seeing yourself get more traction. You start seeing YouTube pick you up more and pushing your content, okay? Make simple content, don't overcomplicate it. Build repeatable series. So that helps reduce decision fatigue, which is a big thing, which is why we use our AI system to come up with unlimited amount of video topics. And that way we can keep things going. We can keep recording our videos and editing and publishing and keep the content going. Focus on helping people. Here's an example. Sunday, you plan your topics. Monday, you record everything. Tuesday, you edit your videos, and you rest. Make sure you have time to rest, because if you're just always pumping out content, you're not resting, you're going to burn yourself out, guys. So that's most important. You have to find rest so that you can stay consistent and stay focused and maintain that momentum. This is a marathon when it comes to YouTube creation. It's not a sprint, guys. It's a marathon. So when you build that momentum and you start having a team under you that can edit your videos and push this content, get ideas ready for you, it makes things a lot easier. It alleviates a lot of stress. So, and the beginning phase is going to be a lot of work. It's going to be a lot of sleepless nights, But if you stay consistent, if you feel yourself getting burned out, scale it down to 1 video a week and you're going to be okay, guys. You're going to be okay. So that's basically what we have. I didn't want to make the video too long. I want to stay sensitive to you guys' time. And I'll leave the description. I'll leave this prompt in the description below, like I always do, that you guys can use as a template and a guide and help you guys out on your journey without having to worry about burning out. And I do offer my service in the description below. If you want me to do all the heavy lifting and this is overwhelming for you, you just need an expert to help you out, hey, I'm here. You can reach me down in the description below. It has all the information and I'll do all the heavy lifting from prompt writing to titles to one-on-one coaching and to 30-day calendars and so much more. But that's all we have here for today, guys. I hope that helped for you to stay motivated and it's light at the end of the tunnel, guys. Don't give up. I know it's hard. I know it's a lot of work. I know it feels like all this is meaningless and pointless, and just keep pushing. Push another week. Push another day. Push another day. Scale it down to 1 video a week. And I guarantee if you stay consistent, you get to those 25 videos, 150 videos, 75, 100, you will see a difference. You will see a difference. And you follow my strategy, you follow my method, you follow my techniques, you follow my system, you will see a difference in your content creation when it comes to this YouTube system. All right. I'm Tay. I hope this helps and see you guys next video. Peace.